Welcome back to my channel again. In this video, I am going to show you how to take a screenshot on Samsung Galaxy phone. This video I am explain 3 ways to easily take a screenshot your phone. First method, I am using buttons mode. To do that, open any page or screen if you want to take a screenshot. After that, look for the power button and volume down button on your phone. After that, press the both button at the same time and automatically capture a screenshot. The second way to take a screenshot, I am using quick settings menu. To do that, swipe the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Here you can look for the take a screenshot option. Once you found them, click on it and automatically capture the screen. The last option, you can take a screenshot. Simply open the settings, scroll all the way to the very bottom, look for the accessibility option, click on them. After that, find the interaction and dexterity option, tap on it. Here look for the assistant menu option. Right now this option is turned off. Simply turn it on first. After it's enabled, you can see the pop-up assistant menu button. Click on it, then swipe there, find the screenshot option, click on them and automatically capture a screenshot on your phone. That's it. You are easily 3 different ways to take a screenshot your Samsung Galaxy phone. If you found this guide will help you, please subscribe my channel.